is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coating. In the latest publishing of Product Finishing Magazine, PF named Jace Kaiser, General Manager of Kaiser Blasting and Coatings, as one of its 40 under 40. Jace was featured on this podcast, episode 10, where he tackled his frustrations to finishing. Jace has helped expand his family's Nebraska business while continuing to post weekly content about his ups and downs in the coating biz through his blogs and video content. Hats off to Jace for his tremendous contribution to the powder coating industry by helping customers and fellow coaters navigate the coatings biz. Check out his content on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn at Kaiser Blasting. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.